This is an update to an earlier video. About 2 weeks ago, there was an update to the FAA LAANC approval. And if you're not familiar, that's the application system within the FAA where you can apply for a drone flight within airspaces where there's oversight as far as who, when, where, and how high you can fly. And in that system, they had not previously allowed night flight. So night is just before the sun goes down. There's what's called civil twilight, and you're not supposed to fly a drone after that period of time unless you have the night training and you've passed the night exam on the FAA website. And that might be Part 107 specific. I think everybody has to do it, but I might be wrong on that. So anyway, they updated it where the automatic approval system would allow you to apply for night flights, because previously they would reject those. So in the previous video that I put, someone commented that the Aloft, which is one of a few different systems that's LAANC enabled, is now accepting them. So when I saw that service notice go out from the FAA, the first thing I did was I went and tried it. And I did it for an address that I knew was within controlled airspace, because where I'm at now, it's not controlled. So I don't need a LAANC. And so the automatic systems were rejecting it. So that's changed. So now this is being filmed on the 6th of March. So now 6th of March, 2023. So now those are going through. So at the time, I thought that that was the automatic LAANC, and then there was a manual LAANC. And so the FAA has a website called Drone Zone. If you're not familiar with it already, you should definitely go check it out, whether you're recreational or Part 107. And so I put in a manual application, and I thought that manual application was for a LAANC. It's not. So the email I got today from the FAA says these are two completely different systems. LAANC is a third-party vendor product that goes between you, the operator, and the ATC facility, which is mostly the control tower of whatever controlled airspace you're going to fly in. Drone Zone is an FAA product and is the manual way of applying for and hopefully getting approved from the ATCF to fly. They both use the same UAS facility maps to set altitudes as parameters for controlled airspace. We are canceling your request. And so I got the FAA automated update. I went to my FAA portal, and sure enough, it was canceled. So the update to that first video is use the automated system. There is no manual system. So thanks for watching.